You see, the uncomfortable truth about day trading is most traders will go into 2026 completely unprepared, expecting better results, but not willing to put in the work to actually become a better trader. You see, day trading has a 99% attrition rate, which means only 1% of traders ever become full-time and profitable. This is not done by luck. This is not done by chance. This is done by developing a system and a set of rules and a mental psychology block that cannot be broken, that is followed every single day on the live markets. Trading is not just some I'm going to sell you the dream type of moment where you see all these Lamborghinis, you see all these watches, and then all of a sudden you're just, oh yeah, you're owed that. You're supposed to become a profitable trader. Well, unfortunately, that's how influencers are these days. And I'm here to tell you the opposite of that. I'm here to tell you that this journey will involve suffering. It will involve failure. It will involve times where you want to quit, you want to give up, your psychology, your work ethic. It's all going to be broken down. But can you resist? Can you move past it? Can you continue to push forward even when times get tough? That is what makes a resilient, profitable trader. Going into 2026, I hope you take the action. I hope you take the step forward to actually become a trader. But don't just expect results. Put in the work for results. A lot of traders don't want to do that, but then we look at this industry that has a 1% success rate, and we're like, oh, why is this the case? Well, yeah, a lot of traders don't have the right set of rules. They don't have the right mindset. They want it to be a get-rich-quick scheme. And then when things go wrong, they blame it on the industry, call it a scam, say it's never going to work, blame the attrition rate. Well, no, you're expecting to have better results, but you don't want to put in the work to become a better operator.
Clearly, you can see here by my TradeZella trading journal, I've produced immense results. But it wasn't always like this, and I feel like that's the problem for a lot of day traders. A lot of traders will quit, they'll give up, they'll have terrible emotions, they'll continue to take trades they know they shouldn't take, they'll continue to over leverage, etc. And then they'll look at results like these and say they are fake. Here you can see I only took 2 losses this entire month, and if you head into November, I only took 3 losses, and even if you head back a little bit, there's what, 1 loss in the month of September, and then in December I don't really trade because I spend time with my family for the holidays. But the truth is, I never got to these results by just thinking it was going to come easy, by just doing whatever I wanted. As I mentioned in the intro of this video, you have to actually be willing to put into the work. 99% of traders fail not because they are bad traders, but because they cannot apply the correct work ethic as well as psychology to their trading system.
And the truth about that is a lot of traders just don't have the patience. And partly I blame it on a lot of the influencers that promote the lifestyle and sell the dream. You see, me, I'm never going to sell you the dream. In fact, I'm going to sell you the opposite of the dream. I'm going to tell you that trading is hard, that trading is difficult, that, yeah, only 1% of traders make this their full-time income. But what I will never do is tell you that you won't be able to do it. That if you don't put the work in, you don't have faith, you don't show up every single day and try to become better, that you can't do it. I would never say something like that. But what I will do is say how many traders are impatient, or actually that's what's ruining their trading journey. They see results like I just showed you and they think I woke up and just somehow produced those results. Absolutely not. It took years of work, it took years of struggle, it took years of failure, and it took years of perseverance. You don't develop it all in one day, and that's a lot of the reason I think traders fail so much and that day trading is seen as such a scammy, grindy industry. Because a lot of traders will do things they know are wrong, they don't have the patience, they over risk, they over leverage, and then they want to blame trading. No, it's you. And if you don't go into 2026 with a better mindset and a better work ethic than that, it's never going to change.
If you are looking for some extra help going into the year 2026, I have developed a Discord that trains traders every single day to train exactly like I do. And as you guys can see, these are the results. I mean, it goes up and up and up, and I can continue to go up and up and up of traders just getting funded accounts and good results. So if you are interested in a live trading room where I live trade my strategy every single day and help traders every single day, the link for that will be in the description. But I think one reason traders don't have patience is because they don't have a system developed in the first place. If you don't have a system and you don't have a strategy, there's nothing you can tie your trading to, which sends you down a spiral. You can see here on my chart that I have support and resistance areas marked up that I trade every single day. This is the higher time frame, and they go on forever because I don't plan plan on deleting these zones very quickly. Why? Because I trade this strategy every single day and I know what I'm looking for in my system and in my set of rules every single day. Strategy hopping will be the enemy of a trader. Develop a system that works, continue to master that system, and trade your same set of rules within that system every single day. For example, every single day, and let me repeat myself, I mean it, every single day. When I come to the charts, I am looking for price to come to one of these yellow boxes and give me a reaction off of the box for a bounce play. Trades like this are all I am looking for every single day in my live trading room where I trade with my students. But the difference is I am looking for this every single day, and I have developed a set of rules and strategy that will never change. I will never not trade this strategy. And once I found out that I was strategy hopping and it was actually causing me to lose more trades than it was winning because I was continuously switching my strategy, I was continuously in my own head, I was continuously taking trades that I knew I shouldn't be taking because I was switching my strategy so much, that's when I actually became profitable and started seeing the results that I just showed you on my trading journal.
Now, I've hinted a little bit at this as I've gone through this video so far, but I think a lot of traders don't have the work ethic. You see, a lot of people get the idea that trading is just some, game where you can wake up every single day and just press buy and sell on the laptop and you're going to make all this money from trading NASDAQ. No, absolutely not. It requires work ethic. It requires years of work ethic. It requires years of productivity and understanding that nothing in life ever comes easy, and that saying especially attributes to day trading. You guys think that because you get a funded account and that you hop on the charts that you should automatically become profitable and you're owed the results that I just showed you. Well, absolutely not. It takes work ethic. It takes perseverance. It takes the want and the desire to become better. It takes the want to say every single day, I'm going to get up and I'm going to improve at this and I'm not going to stop until I become good at this, until I succeed at this.
Start backtesting every single day. Make it a point to go back and backtest. Whatever system, whatever software you use for backtesting, actually do it. Don't just say things like, oh, I'll get a signal room. Actually learn how to trade. Develop a system, develop a strategy, and backtest it. As you can see here, this is my backtesting software that I go through, every single day. I have my levels marked up and I like to take trades. And as you can see, I have a level marked up where price rejected it and I would put my stops there, targeted the next area of market structure. And there you could see I could have taken a nice winning trade. But actually put in the work, actually backtest. Why are you being lazy? Why are you going into 2026 looking at trading like it's some joke? Put in the work. Do some backtesting. Start journaling your trades. I cannot stress enough how important journaling your trades is. Here I am on TradeZella. As you can see, this is my trading journal right here, using my strategy, using my key level strategy. Look how much in detail I have journaled my trades. I am listing out everything I saw and that occurred on the charts today, and I even took a screenshot of the very trade, and here is a screenshot of it. So when I come back into TradeZella, I can check all my statistics and everything that I did. As well, I have an in-depth analysis of why I did things. What happened here? What can I work on? See? I need to get better at taking profits. As I am trading 1 minute, price can react so much quicker, and I need to realize that. I am not getting complacent. I am still looking and providing things that I need to improve on. So when I come back and I look at my journaling, I can say, okay, I need to be better about this.
The truth and fact of the matter is that a lot of you are not prepared for this journey. Not because you're never going to make it or because you're destined to fail at trading. It's only because of your own selves. You guys don't want to put in the work. You guys don't want to do things that will help improve your journey. You guys want to be lazy about it. You guys want to buy signal rooms. You guys want to see things. You guys want to look at people selling the dream and think you're owed that in one singular month or one singular week. Absolutely not. This is why I trade live in my live trading room. I do not send signals. I take on traders and I live trade in front of them every single day. And I'm not scared if I lose a trade. I am showing them the realism of trading. I am not showing them that, they can just hop on the charts and everything can go well. No, if I lose a trade, they lose it with me. They are seeing the realism of trading. You guys need to go into 2026 with preparation instead of urgency. If you are prepared, if you are doing all you can, if you are putting in the work every single day, physically and emotionally and technically, okay, you will see that you will end up succeeding quicker and better and faster than people who just go in with this urgency. Oh, I'm going to be the best trader ever. I think I'm owed success all because of this or that. No, go in with a plan, go in with a system, go in with a set of rules, because the truth of the matter is your results will lag behind your identity. Drop the ego, get rid of it. Stop thinking that trading is this easy game that nobody has to put in work for and these candlesticks are just going to move in your direction. It's absolutely not how it works. Become truthful with yourself. Stated before, get rid of the ego. Get rid of things that are going to impact your journey and start improving things like perseverance, like work ethic, like emotions, like psychology. Add on to these things so you can go in 2026 with a good work ethic, with good perseverance, and a true understanding of what the industry of day trading is.